Good morning, it's me again, Spiller, the IT Headhunter. Yes, I'm back here in Balatonfüred on the pier, not far from the boat station in Spitz Bistro Bar, where I made this short clip for you because at the moment I'm looking for different IT professionals for KBC Global Services that provides IT solutions for insurance and banking. We work in an international team which is partly Belgian and partly Hungarian, and at the moment we are hiring new IT professionals for the Hungarian part of the team. In this short clip I'm going to talk about the company, the team, the job specification, the package, the requirements and the selection process as well. The professional that I'm looking for right now is a system engineer who is specialized in file transfer solutions. I will have to use a script because the job description is quite long and complicated. So I will first talk about your job. So you will have to work as a system engineer in the so-called Interchange MFT, which is a challenging and changing environment. You will get operational jobs and responsibilities so that you know the system better and grow further. After an on-the-job training and an introduction period, you will be responsible for setting up, installing and maintaining the middleware components on open systems, on ZOS and in the cloud. By doing this, you will see the possible aspects of file transfer, managing and updating the file transfer frameworks, helping other teams in setting up new transfers, establishing, maintaining and troubleshooting external and internal file transfer connections, incident and problem management, and you will also have to reduce recurring issues. You will be involved in a new development, in bug fixing and in maintenance, and in writing and updating documentation. This is where we focus on automating and the self-services. You will work in a team of senior and media professionals and there is intensive collaboration within the team with other engineers, product owners, system architects and scrum masters. Okay, so let me tell you some more words about the expectations. So you should be focused on quality, performance, safety and stability and not discouraged by existing limitations, and you should be always looking for solutions, and you should have an open and fresh view on development end to end. You should be quality driven and detail oriented with a creative and open mindset. You should be a team player who is actively seeking for collaboration, a quick learner who is able to use information, someone who is flexible, sociable, creative, and someone who communicates clearly and who is fluent in English. In addition, you need to have solid experience with Linux, system engineering background, experience in an agile environment, experience in file transfer and file transfer concepts, for example, certificates, code pages, protocols, and you need to have scripting skills too, but this is a plus. So I think it's time for me to tell you some more information about the package. So first of all, what we offer here is a competitive package including fringe benefits, which is 10% of your annual base salary. We also provide annual performance-based bonuses, Medicover health package, company phone with mobile internet and private use. You can also have special employee discount on banking services. And KBC is a stable and secure environment with career opportunities, learning opportunities, with different training courses and training programs. And yes, this is an English-speaking working environment with business trips to Belgium. And we have flexible working hours, which means there is no check-in and no check-out, and no one's gonna check your timesheet either. And we have very active teamwork with 2 office days a week. But we also have a very active community life with events, for example, dragon boating, beer and pizza parties and sports days. And we have a company restaurant with a view over the Danube, which is really beautiful. And if you commute by bicycle, you can use the bicycle storage and the showers. Let me tell you some more information about the selection process as well. So the first step is always a pre-screening call with me. Then the second one is a technical interview with the Belgian Scrum Master and the team members. And the final one, the third one, is a personal HR interview in the Budapest office. So, apply for the job if you are interested and if you fulfill the requirements. And if you have some more questions, then send me a LinkedIn message and I will call you back and we can talk about your salary expectation as well. So thank you very much for your attention, thanks for your positive reactions and feedbacks, and thanks for resharing my previous clips too. And keep following me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram and on WordPress, where I have a blog. Plus the voice of these clips are also available in a podcast format on YouTube, where I also publish on YouTube Short. So don't forget to follow me on social media too. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.